I'm Samrat and welcome back to the Healthy Kitchen. So today my mom going to make cream of mushrooms soup.
We will first switch on the gas, and I have finely chopped one big onion and taken 3 cloves of garlic and finely chopped them as well. We will put both of these into the pot. I'm going to add half a teaspoon cold pressed coconut oil and saute this very well. Keep stirring it occasionally. And while this is happening, on another flame, we'll take a pot, and I have chopped one big cauliflower florets. We are going to add all of them inside this pot. To this, I'm going to add water. I've added 1 cup of water and 1 cup plant milk. So today we are using almond milk. We'll give this all a good stir and let it cook till the cauliflower becomes very tender. We go back to our onions, stir them, and they look like they are a little brown already.
Next,
I have some chopped mushrooms over here. Typically when we buy mushrooms, we get a small packet of mushrooms, so I've used half of that because we are a family of 3. So finely chop your mushrooms and add them all into the pot. To this we will add some freshly ground black pepper. Before we cover it, we'll add some salt. Give it a quick stir. And then just cover it with a lid. It usually takes about 5 to 6 minutes. We'll keep it covered for a while because the mushrooms release water and they cook better in that. It seems like it's almost done. We'll let it simmer for another minute before switching it off. In the meantime, while the cauliflower is still becoming tender, we will take about 8 pieces of cashews for 3 people and soak them in about half cup of water. We will need this to make the creamy cauliflower sauce. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes. I think we'll let it be for another 2 minutes, and the cauliflower is going to be extremely tender. We need it tender because we are going to blend it in the mixer once it is cool to make the cream. And we have just turned the heat off the mushrooms. They are nicely, beautifully sauteed. We just add black pepper in this because I've added enough salt in the cauliflower. After it was tender and cooked properly, I have transferred it to a really large bowl because it's quite hot. I want it to cool down really fast, so I've put it in this. And make sure you do not put it in the blender until it is cool, because it tends to just really splash all over the place. So make sure it is completely cool before we put it inside the blender. So it is quite cool now. I'm going to transfer all of this into my blender. Once this is done, we are going to slice up a lemon and squeeze the juice.
Only one lemon.
Yes, only one lemon. After that, I'm going to add some more salt because I tasted it and we need some. And this is the pink salt that I use. I have already made the cashew cream with the water and cashew that I had soaked. So it was soaking for approximately the entire time that the cauliflower was cooking. So that was about half an hour. Usually cashews can even soak in 15 minutes. So we add this entire cashew milk to this. And then we just blend it all together. Our cream is done. Now just lift it up and add it to the pot of cooked mushrooms. Give it a good stir. And for those of you who like it really hot, can again turn on the heat, bring it to a boil. But for us, we are good to go.
Yeah.
It's at a very good temperature. And this soup is ready. Let's plate the soup.
Looks yummy, doesn't it?
Use a little
Garnishing.
and there, that's your soup.
Plate it and enjoy it with your favorite bread. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Bye.